Jerusalem became the stage of high drama when missiles and drones suddenly darkened the skies. The attackers? Yemen's Houthi rebel, a group that has been stepping up its fight in that particular region. This time they stuck at one of the most symbolic moments, America's 249th Independence Day celebration in Jerusalem. Can you imagine the scene? US troops, Israeli officials, and foreign diplomats gathered under one roof when air raid silence went off. Within seconds, chaos followed. Soldiers ran for cover, guests were scared for their safety, and the celebration turned into a survival drill. Yemen's military later confirmed what everybody was feared of. They had fired a hypersonic Palestine 2 missile, a weapon with multiple warheads capable of splitting into the air and hitting different targets, and that too at once. Along with drones, it was a coordinated strike meant to embarrass Israel and send a very loud message to Washington. And this wasn't just a one-off incident that we are talking about. It was the third straight day of Houthi operation against Israel, showing that that particular group is no longer just persistent, but also growing more daring. Well, the attack wasn't random. Missiles were aimed at Jerusalem's Al-Quds area and Yemen airport, two sensitive yet high-profile targets. In the meantime, analysts say that this is part of Houthis' broader strategy just to project themselves as defenders of Palestine and to expand their battlefield beyond Yemen too. But here's a catch: some move risk pulling the bigger players here. Even strike deepened the crisis, not just between Israel and Hamas, but across the Middle East. The US, already stretched into global conflict, now find its own soldiers ducking missiles in Jerusalem. So, the larger question is this: how long before these symbolic attacks escalate into a full-blown regional war? The Houthis? Well, they want recognition. Iran quietly backing them, Israel feels cornered, and America's prestige is being tested here. For now, the Independence Day celebration ended with fireworks of the very different kind, not from the sky, but falling on it.